Hello, it's Gumi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Netflix premium subscription really cheap at $3.87 per month, as you can see on the screen, with the entire catalog of series and movies in French, in 4K. So really a premium Netflix account as usual, it's just that you pay less. So the platform is called Games Go. You have the link below the video to access it, either directly in the video description or in the first pinned comment. So you just have to click on the link and you will be redirected to the site. Then you just need to log in at the top right. Then you just need to log in to the Games Go site at the top right. So you click on the little icon, you select login. You can log in with a Google account, Facebook, or even a simple email address. It's very easy. Then you apply and click on the Netflix account. You can see that there are also other subscriptions that are cheaper, premium, available, Disney Plus, YouTube Premium, HBO Max, etc. So for Netflix, you click on Netflix. So, how it works is that you will just share your Netflix account with other people around the world as if it were a family sharing, and then you will all pay less, but you will each have a dedicated account for yourself in this subscription sharing. This way, you will have your own series and movie recommendations tailored to each person, and there won't be any password issues because that's managed directly on the Games Go platform. If one day the password doesn't work, you can simply reset it directly on Games Go and get a new one in a few seconds. So you just have to click on Buy a Shared Subscription. Select the number of months for subscription. Try 1 month, or choose 3, 6, or 12 months. The more months you take, the more additional discount you'll get. You see that for 12 months of Netflix Premium, it only costs 37.77 euro, so it's a discount of 56%, which is really huge. Then you can choose the number of screens you want. If, for example, there are many of you at home, you can take 5 screens. If you're really the only one using Netflix, you can take just 1 screen. Next, you have the promo code option. If you want, you can add my additional promo code GUMMY to get an extra discount. You see that we went from 37.77 to 35.88, so don't hesitate if ever. Then, you just have to click on Go to Payment. There you can pay in different ways, whether by 4 bank cards or by Apple Pay, Google Pay. If you click on Method 3, etc., there's no problem. The payment is 100% secure. I've been using the platform for 8 months and I've had no issues. And you proceed to enter your information, then pay. Then once it's done, you will receive the purchase confirmation via your emails. And you will automatically receive your ID and log in to connect to Netflix on your Games Go subscription page. You'll have to log in and enjoy your cheaper Netflix premium plan. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.